Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Nissan Juke SV. Under the hood we have a 1.6 liter L4 turbo engine, and this guy comes in silver. Silver on this guy looks great, and the body style of this is awesome. Everyone will know you are driving around a Juke. You got the Nissan logo right there, and you do have your halogen headlights right there as well. Now coming around the side, we do have 17-inch rims here. With our tires, they look great. Those rims look very nice, and there's still lots of tread left on them as well. You do got heated exterior mirrors right over here, so in the winter they'll get thawed nice and quick for you. Now coming all the way around to the back, you got the Nissan logo, SV logo, all-wheel drive, and the Juke logo right there. Now all you gotta do is open this up like this. Now this guy is a cover you can put on, and it'll cover up what's back here if you did want. Lots of room. You can also fold those seats forward, and this guy does lift up, and you do have your spare tire just underneath there. Hopefully you don't need it, but if you ever did, it is not far. We got our keys here, so we got 2 press unlock, 2 press to lock all the doors, and you do have your panic button there. But let's unlock and take a look. Now on the door here, it is very nicely red accented. Looks really nice, gives it a sporty look. You do have the controls over your windows here, your locks, and all that. You do also have a bit of chrome accenting on the handle here. Handle here and it is very soft. You do also have some storage just down there. And then right over here we do have the controls over our traction control, our 2-wheel and our 4-wheel here. Sorry, 2-wheel and our all-wheel. And then you also have the controls over your electric mirrors right here. And then we have our high beams and our turning signals here. And a very spacious interior. That red accenting is throughout the whole vehicle. Looks very nice, and that looks really cool. Well, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition. Perfect. Now, in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also, how many kilometers we've been, only 43,000, not very many at all. It does also say the temperature outside. Now, there is a button right here. All we gotta do is press that, and it can change it up. So you do have your trip A and B, you have your liters per 100 kilometers, you have your range, you have that guy, as well as you have the time there, and your wheel, or your wheels. And then back to your trip A and B, you can change that guy around, as well as this one does change the brightness. Then in the center you do have some different options here. So this one does change the channel. This one is your source. Then you got your volume up and down and your call out and whatnot for your Bluetooth right there. And then you have your horn in the center, and this guy is your cruise control options. And then right over here we do have our controls over our windshield wipers. And then in the center here we do have all sorts of different guys. So we got our radio, we have our AM and FM, our CD. You can plug in an iPod or your aux cord. You got this guy here that does eject your CD. And then you have your mute here, your display. You can change that around a bit. Then you have your clock. You got your seek options, your iPod menu, your enter, your back, your presets here, volume up and down with your power. Then your scan, your audio, that's your aux cord plug-in, as well as your tuner right there. And then in the climate control, we have where it's going to blow out of. You have the max AC and the circulation right here. Then this guy down here is the power, the defrost right there, and then you have your AC and your heat or cold. Got a bit of storage right here. You can throw some coins or whatnot. You also have a power outlet right there. And then this guy is our gear shift. Oh, right, just like that. This red accenting is very nice. I really like it. You have your parking brake here, and you also have your cup holders right there with some additional storage right back there. Now we have our glove box. It's very deep, lots of room in there for whatever you might need to. Then you also have some lights just up top. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here, you do also have that same chrome accenting, the red and the red throughout the back. Lots of room back here as well. You can fold this forward, as I said, so you just pull up on that and it folds forward just like that. And you can put even more stuff in the back if you did want to. And there's our 1.6 liter L4 turbo engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Nissan Juke SV. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.